House for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in southern Paros, in Alyki. Corner residence of 82 square meters, in a complex under construction, on a plot of 100 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a WC, a kitchen, a living room, and a patio with a splash pool. It also has heating, air conditioning, double-glazed windows with flyscreens, a fireplace, verandahs, security door, and a barbecue. Just a few meters from the sea and the picturesque harbor of Alyki, it is an ideal choice for a holiday home, also suitable for investment. Western orientation with street views. All networks are connected. Accessed by paved road. 13 kilometers from the port of Parikia. 4 kilometers from the airport.